Set fire to your hair, poke a stick at a grizzly bear. Eat medicine that's out of date, use your private parts as piranha bait. Dumb ways to die.